Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. As the government moves ahead with plans for the establishment of a micro-stock market, concerns this evening about the overall performance of the local equities market. Opposition leader Mark Golding raised the issue in Parliament today.
The Jamaican stock market has been in the doldrums for at least 5 years. And we're coming from the last full year of the Portia Simpson-Miller administration, where Jamaica had the best stock market performance in the world. And that was an outstanding achievement. And now we've seen years of anemic performance for the stock market. And I'm wondering what the government plans to do to reinvigorate interest in the equity market, given the long period in which the Jamaican equities market has been languishing with poor performance and limited investor interest.
In response, Finance Minister Favour Williams acknowledged there's work to be done.
I know that there is a need for greater levels of technical assistance to companies on a lot of different fronts, and we are willing to support that with more resources going forward.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange, or should I tell you that the JSE index advanced by 922 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 1 point. The winners were led by Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Jetcon, Omni Industries, and Radio Jamaica. The losers include Knutsford Express, One Great Studio Company, First Rock Real Estate Investment US dollar shares, 138 Student Living, and Palace Amusement. 14 stocks traded firm. And just to let you know that as at news time this evening, we have not yet really received the published information on the exchange rates from the Bank of Jamaica. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.